Realme 10 series is official. Realme 10 Pro 5G has been spotted on 10er, NBTC and BIS certification with model number RMX 3687 and RMX 3686. Photos of Realme 10 Pro 5G also has been leaked. Let's take a close look at the design of the phone, and we can see that Realme 10 has flat edge design like the iPhone 12 design. On the back panel of the phone, it has a glossy finish with two rear-facing cameras, the primary camera being 50 megapixel and 16 megapixel secondary camera. If we look at Realme 10 Pro 5G, it has a curved design with matte finish on its back panel. It has a triple camera setup with 108 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and 5 megapixel depth sensor. Talking about the display, Realme 10 comes with 6.7 inches AMOLED panel, 120 Hz refresh rate, 900 nits peak brightness with HDR+ support. It also has in-display fingerprint sensor. Realme 10 Pro 5G has a 6.7 inches curved head plus OLED display, 120 Hz refresh rate, 1200 nits peak brightness, and HDR10+ support. Both the devices will have 24 megapixel center punch hole camera. For performance, Realme 10 5G has MediaTek Dimensity 1080 chipset. This is a powerful chipset. You can play any games on this phone. This is a power-efficient chipset. It is going to come with 6 GB RAM, 128 GB internal storage, and 8 GB RAM with 265 GB internal storage. As for colors, we have 3 variants: Hyperspace, Nebula Blue, and Dark Matte. According to the rumors, Realme 10 series will release in the first week of November. That's all for the leaks. Please like and comment as it helps with the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe if you aren't subscribed to the channel. Thank you and peace out.